How many seeds do you sow in a winter sowing plastic jug? I get that question all the time. And today we're going to talk about two. We're going to talk about zucchini and cucumbers because they're about the same size plant. And so they take about the same number of seeds. So how many cucumber seeds and how many zucchini seeds do we put in a milk jug? Now this one is a gallon. You may be using a liter or a half gallon. That's about as small as I would go, but I do almost all gallon water jugs. You can see I'm mass producing today. I'm doing 26 at a time, my biggest mass production. But I thought you'd want to see this. So first off, there's no right or wrong answer. There's a good, better, best. And I've played around with it. I probably put more seeds in than most people. The least I would put in would be 4. I mean, these are going to be really big seedlings. These are good size. And 4 will fit very nicely in here. But I do like 6, 7, 8, depending on my mood. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I've got the same number over here in the zucchini. Those are a bigger seed. And you're leaving room for some germination failure rate. I don't get much usually, but sometimes I do. And they're going to be a little crowded in there, but they'll grow 4, 5, 6 inches just to the top of the jug, real nice and bushy. And they're easy to separate. So I like to put in a lot. Now I haven't pushed these all the way in, but all I do is push them in and then just cover them with a little. The soil's very wet and very moist. Oh, am I showing you this? Yeah. So I just push them in. It gets blurry when I get my hand in there, and then just lightly cover them. Don't go too deeply. That's a mistake a lot of people make with winter sowing is they put the seed down where it says in the seed packet. This does not apply. Throw your seed packets out. It doesn't matter what they say. Just push them in. Let's do one here and see if it won't go blurry on me. I just push it in and then lightly cover. My dogs hear me talking on the video and they're howling. Anyway, don't go deep on it, and make sure you see the seed orientation video I have on. It does make a difference of which end you put down in your seed. You could save a couple weeks of germination rate putting them in the proper way, so make sure you check that out. So anyway, that's how many I put in for zucchini and cucumber. Check out the playlist. I have a separate winter sowing playlist just for how many seeds you sow. I've got about 10 done now. I'm going to do another 10. So, if you're curious, you can just scan down and go, oh, tomatoes, oh, peppers. Let me see how many she does. I've got that for you. Because, again, it's a personal taste. Somebody else might just do 3 and they want to get them real bushy and they don't like to separate. I don't mind at all. That's why I do 6, 7, 8. I've been known to do 9. Okay. Thanks for being with me. I'm sending you much love from my garden to yours. I'll see you on the next video.